Which is better? Tired of swiping endlessly and still not finding the connection you're looking for? Whether it's Tinder or Bumble, choosing the right app can feel overwhelming when faced with fake profiles, ghosting, or just plain bad matches. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. Here are 10 apps and sites to help you find love or companionship. One of the oldest dating sites, Match.com, offers detailed profiles and a serious approach to finding long-term relationships. eHarmony *, perfect for people looking for marriage or a committed relationship. eHarmony's compatibility quiz ensures matches with shared values. **8, known as the app, designed to be deleted, Hinge focuses on meaningful connections and encourages users to share more personal details. OkCupid uses unique questions to match people based on lifestyle beliefs and interests, making it great for those looking for compatibility. **6. This app sends you one curated match daily, making it ideal for people who are tired of endless swiping and want quality over quantity. A more casual dating site with a massive user base. POF lets you message and connect without needing to match first. **4. Zoosk combines a global user base with behavioral matchmaking to help find people who genuinely align with your personality. **3. Her is a welcoming app created specifically for LGBTQ+ women to connect for dating, friendship, or even networking. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. Silver Singles. If you're over 50 and looking for love or companionship, Silver Singles offers a tailored experience for mature singles. Elite Singles. For professionals and career-focused individuals, Elite Singles is the top choice, matching people with ambition and shared goals. Focused on Black Singles. Block is a vibrant and fun app where you can meet people who celebrate culture and community. Christian Mingle. If faith is central to your life, Christian Mingle connects you with like-minded individuals for spiritual and romantic connections. **. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.